Suki talaga ng Billboard USA ang ating mahalima. Kaya naman, hinding-hindi sila bibitawan. Narito.
Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
SB19, The King of P-Pop, featured at headline na naman sa Billboard Worldwide. Ito nga, binandera at may headline sa pinakamahal na online newspaper at magazine ang ating mahalima. Na-appreciate ng Billboard Worldwide na na-collaborate at nakasama sa isang song collab ang mga ilang Asian artist. Top Asian artist tulad na lamang ng BE:FIRST at ni Jolin Chai. Ayon sa articles ng Billboard with SB19, my sense of accomplishment at freedom ang album ng SB19. The group ensured the control of their destiny and telling their own story to the fans. O diba na-appreciate at na-recognize ng Billboard na may sense at may connection ang mga album ng SB19, pati mga kanta. Dagdag pa ng Billboard, lahat ng kanta at album, especially wakas at simula ng SB19, ay most remarkable stories of modern Asian pop. O diba na-appreciate talaga nila. Samantala, narito pa ang laman ng articles ng Billboard Worldwide at US of A. Ilagay ko po ang link sa comment section at description box below sa featured at headline na to mula sa Billboard.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving